Meaning of his master's voice.
His master's voice.
His master's voice.
His master's voice.
His master's voice. His master's voice is a phrase that refers to the logo of a UK-based record label called HMV, which was prevalent from the late 19th century until the early 21st century. The logo depicts a dog named Nipper listening to a gramophone, and it has become an iconic symbol of the music industry. The phrase "his master's voice" also signifies the idea of being completely obedient to someone or something, as if one is a faithful pet listening to its owner's commands.